to create this effect in your videos. In this tutorial, the clip I used was downloaded from pixel.com. I will edit the link in the description so you can also download it for free. First, select your video and go to the window, tracker, and enable the tracker panel. Then click on track motion. You will see a target box appear. Adjust it properly. And start tracking. Once the tracking is complete, create a null layer. Go to the edit target, select the null layer and apply the tracking data. Now the null is linked with the tracking information. Next, create a text layer. And change the color as you like. Duplicate it with Ctrl+T. Again duplicate one more time and adjust the position. Now select all text layer, go to the 0 frame, press P to open position and add keyframe. At the last frame, change the position of the text layer to create movement. Select all the text layer and press Ctrl+Shift+C to pre-compose them. Then press R to rotate the composition by 2 degrees. Press S to scale it up. And adjust the position. Next, use the pen tool to draw a mask around the glasses. Parent this mask to null object. When you preview, you will notice the mask start to slip in some places. To fix it, animate the mask path. Add a keyframe on the mask path. And frame by frame adjust where the mask shifts. Now let's add the glitch effect. Create a solid layer with black color. Apply fractal noise. Change the noise type to block. Uncheck the ununiform scale and increase the scale. Adjust brightness and contrast as needed. At the start frame, animate the offset. And pre-compose this layer. Rename this layer as map. And hide it. Next, create the adjustment layer. And use the rectangle tool or draw a mask. Apply the displacement effect. Set both displacement amount to 0. Then select the map layer as the source. Add keyframe to the horizontal and vertical displacement amount. Move forward a few frames and increase the value. If glitch effect looks weak, adjust the brightness and contrast of the map layer until it looks stronger. Move forward a few more frames and again change the displacement amount for variation. Trim the adjustment layer using Alt plus close bracket. Duplicate it with Ctrl plus D and place these layers wherever you want glitch effect in your video. Your cool looking effect is ready. For more tutorials like this, make sure to follow me. See you in the next video.